We are Team Malachite. I am Nicholas Locke,
And I'm Shawn Burns.
and we will display how to use the computer competency project. Brittany Bright will log on with the username bbright, with the password being admin with a capital A. She will come into the system and she can choose between reports, to manage, and to search. With reports, she can review a report for 1120, and password for this is MJ03QK $, and it just displays a report about the people that, or the number of test grades that have been passed versus non-passed. And she can do the same thing for 1123. As you see, more people here, and you can see the people who passed each assignment and the amount of assignments that are actually being passed versus not passed. When she goes to manage, she can go to WCOB 1120. She can view a roster of the people that are currently in the class. She can view grades for those people. So Catherine is the only person in here right now until she uploads the CSV file, and she can narrow it down to any test she would like. So if she wanted to look at internet, she could type in internet under test and it would pop up for that. Same thing goes for ISIS 1123. She can view a roster here. And she can also view grades. So Chris, he comes up and you want to see computer competency. So you search here and it would show that he has the assignment and his grade. And if you do this, it's out of a total of 5 points and he passed. So now she can modify student information, but only names, because we figured that once you have a grade, there's really no changing that. And so if I change Austin, I can change him to anybody's name, like Shawn, and then it would save. The next step is uploading the CSV file. Here we choose open, and now we can choose between uploading new assignment grades, inserting new students, or inserting new test grades. Let's try test grades. It will display to the right. You click on test grades here because that's the destination, and you click upload, and new exam results have been uploaded. To test this, it will show you that they've actually been uploaded. Here they are, starting with 8. But you want to delete these so that you don't accidentally insert duplicate rows, because then you'd have to delete the table again. Then there's assignment grade. So we want to insert an assignment CSV file. It will display to the right. You want to click assignment, upload, and now new assignments have been uploaded. And just to show you that those have actually been uploaded, you go to the assignment table, and here they are, starting with 24. And you want to delete those so that you don't insert duplicates. And now student. Notice it begins with Jarvis and Diamonds. Click student class, click upload, new student. We can check that again under the student class table. And here it is, Jarvis Diamonds. And once again, we need to delete those records. We can then go back, and now she can search. So you can search for anyone in the system. It doesn't matter which class they're in. So if she wanted to search for Catherine, it would show Catherine what class she's in and what section. Or we can search for Azar, and he's in ISIS 1123. Section 1. There's also, let's say, Alex Trebek, and he's in ISIS 1123 Section 2. And that's the administrator's side of the application. Now we'll show you the advisor side, and here's Shawn to do that.
Alright, logging onto an advisor, the username, of course, is advisor, and the password is advisor as well. You hit the login, and you're brought to a very similar screen as Brittany Bright's screens. You have reports, WCOB 1120, ISIS 1123, and the search feature. We'll start off with reports, and with 1120 reports, notice you have to re-enter the password, and you're brought to a similar report function with pretty much the same information as what Brittany could see. So we'll go back and we'll log into 1123 reports, and again log into that, and of course a very similar screen pops up as well with the information. Hit back and go back again. We'll go into WCOB 1120. From there you have a few choices. You have view current students, view grades. You can go back or you can exit the program itself. We're going to look at view current students, and there you'll see the current students enrolled by their first and last name. We'll go back and we'll view current grades, and so we'll search for Catherine's information, and you see Catherine Seymour and the classes, the exam that she's taken, and the grades, if she passed or if she hasn't passed it. So it's very similar to the previous screens. Log on to the ISIS 1123. You have the same functions: view current students, view grades, or you can go back. We can view the current students that are in ISIS 1123, and we can view grades in that class. And let's say, look at Asher's information. Asher Moon's information, which has all his grades and his assessment grades in there, the grades that was received, and if he passed or failed each one. So we'll go back to the main and hit the search function and just search for Asher's information again. Of course, there's Asher, and it tells what class he's in and what section he's in as well. This concludes our walkthrough of the Sam and Walton Computer Competency program. Thank you for listening.